కరెక్టే. ఏంది ఇది? అమ్మో నిజంగా ఇదే. నేను పోతాయ్యా. హాయ్, బాగున్నారానా? అబ్బా వీళ్ళకి ఇట్లా మాస్క్ పెట్టుకుర్రు. ఏం పెట్టుకుర్రు మీరు? మాస్కా? ఎందుకు? కరోనానా? అంతే నేను పెట్టుకోలేను కదా, నాకు రాదా మళ్ళా? అరే మాస్కా? ఇది కనిపించలే మాస్క్ మీకు? కనిపించేది మాస్క్. ఈయన పెద్ద సార్ ఏరు ఉంటారు అంటే లోపల ఉంటుంది ఇంకా ఆఫీసు? అమ్మా అట్లంటే పోతా. హాయ్, బాగున్నారు? ఇవేంటి మనకి ఇట్లా చూపెడతారు? అంటే హెలికాప్టర్ గేట్ ఉంటుంది. హాయ్, బాగున్నారు? వీళ్ళు గేమ్లు ఆడుతారు ఎక్కువ. అన్న మంచుకున్నావే? ఇదేంటిది? టెలికాస్ట్ సిస్టమ్ అంటే టేబుల్ సిస్టమ్ ఉంటుంది. హాయ్ సార్, బాగున్నారు? ఏంటి ఇది? సైనర్ చేత తాగొద్దా? చచ్చిపోతారు అట్లా ఇట్లా దుకాలనా? ముఖానికి కూడా అక్కడ దుకాలనా? పర్సన్ అవుతారు. ఏంది ఇది ఆఫీస్? ఇది టీవీ ఛానలా? ఇంతకుముందు ఆడ వచ్చినా కానీ ఎవరు లేకునే రారా. మీరే సారు, చాలా మంచి వాళ్ళు మీరు. నువ్వు మళ్ళా మళ్ళా నాంబర్ పడ్డావు. ఏంటి అది? కెమెరానా? ఏం కెమెరా? కెమెరామెన్ మా కిందికి పెట్టరా? పైకి ఎందుకు పెడతావు నువ్వు? ఏంది ఇది? ఓ నాయన, ఎప్పుడు చూడలేను. అమ్మా ఇవి గిట్ల కనిపిస్తున్నాయి మీ ముందులో. మళ్ళీ వస్తా. నువ్వు ఎవరు?
నేను ఈ ఛానల్ కరస్పాండెంట్.
కరస్పాండెంట్ అంటే ఏంది? కరస్పాండెంట్ అంటే
త్వరలోనే మీ ఏఎన్ఎన్ న్యూస్ లో సరికొత్త ప్రోగ్రామ్.
విద్యార్థుల భవిష్యత్తుకు బాటలు వేస్తూ మునుపెన్నడూ ఎరుగని అత్యుత్తమమైన ఫలితాలతో అద్భుతమైన విద్యా ప్రమాణాలతో ముందుకు దూసుకుపోతోంది శ్రద్ధ జూనియర్ కళాశాల. మహబూబ్నగర్ జిల్లా కేంద్రంలో ప్రముఖులు అనుభవజ్ఞులైన చైర్మన్ జగపతిరావు ఆధ్వర్యంలో 2011లో స్థాపించబడిన మా శ్రద్ధ జూనియర్ కళాశాల ఉన్నతమైన విద్యా ప్రమాణాలతో ఇంజనీరింగ్, మెడికల్లో చక్కని ర్యాంకుల సాధనలో విజయం వైపుగా కృషి చేస్తోంది. ఇంజనీరింగ్ అయినా, మెడికల్ అయినా శ్రద్ధ జూనియర్ కళాశాల విద్యార్థులదే పై చేయి. ఇంటర్తో పాటు ఐఐటి, నీట్, ఎంసెట్ నందు లాంగ్ టర్మ్ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్ ద్వారా కార్పొరేట్ కళాశాలలో 20 సంవత్సరాల అనుభవం కలిగిన అధ్యాపక బృందంచే ప్రత్యేక శిక్షణ తరగతులు నిర్వహిస్తూ డైలీ ప్రాక్టీస్ పేపర్స్, వీక్లీ టెస్ట్, కౌన్సిలింగ్ ద్వారా విద్యార్థుల నైపుణ్యం మెరుగుపరచడం మా ప్రత్యేకత. హ్యాండ్బాల్, ఫుట్బాల్, క్రికెట్ లో మా విద్యార్థులు జాతీయ క్రీడాకారులుగా గుర్తింపు పొందుతున్నారు. జిల్లా కేంద్రంలో సొంత భవనాలలో కళాశాలలు, విద్యార్థులకు ఉదయం, సాయంత్రం వేళలో స్టడీ అవర్స్, ఐఐటి, నీట్ లో ప్రముఖుల నిపుణులచే విద్యా బోధన, బాలికల కోసం ప్రత్యేక క్యాంపస్, ఎంపీసీ, బైపీసీ గ్రూప్లతో కో ఎడ్యుకేషన్, ఎంపీసీ, బైపీసీ, ఎంఈసీ, సిఈసీ గ్రూప్లతో గర్ల్స్ క్యాంపస్, ఎంపీసీ, బైపీసీ గ్రూప్లతో పాటు ఐఐటి, నీట్, ఎంసెట్లతో అకాడమీ.
I am Mariam Makbul. I passed out from Shraddha Junior College in 2017 from BPC. Currently, I have passed out from Tata Institute of Social Sciences. I finished my bachelor's. So one thing which is very striking about this institute is the immense and genuine amount of effort that the team of faculty puts and takes up for the success of students and their prosperity. And another thing that is very remarkable about this place is they ignited in me the spirit of competitiveness, which is very necessary in this globally evolving market world. There was one Sanskrit slok which which I learnt when I was very young. Udyame nahi siddhyanti karyani na manorataihi nahi suptasya simhasya pravishyanti mukhe mruga. This means you cannot just achieve anything just by thinking of it. You need to put in effort. That is what I have learnt from this institute. Like, even though lion is king of jungle, it has to hunt for its own prey, which is what I have learnt from Shraddha Junior College.
I am Uday Kiran. I have completed my intermediate in Shraddha Junior College in 2019 and I have joined Srinidhi Institute of Science and Technology and I scored my JEE Mains percentile as 98.19, and due to some other problems I didn't join NIT, and I have scored my MCET rank as 4500, and here the lecturers take the special care with each and every student.
సీనియర్ మరియు జూనియర్ ఇంటర్ అడ్మిషన్ల కోసం సంప్రదించవలసిన మా చిరునామా శ్రద్ధ జూనియర్ కళాశాల కో ఎడ్యుకేషన్ క్యాంపస్ మెట్టుగడ్డ. మీరు సంప్రదించవలసిన మా ఫోన్ నెంబర్ 9494430200. ప్రత్యేకమైన గర్ల్స్ క్యాంపస్ కోసం సంప్రదించవలసిన మా చిరునామా ఆపోజిట్ పంచవటి హోటల్, న్యూ టౌన్, మహబూబ్ నగర్. మా ఫోన్ నెంబర్ 7337294653. ఐఐటి నీట్ అకాడమీ కోసం సంప్రదించవలసిన మా చిరునామా శ్రద్ధ జూనియర్ కళాశాల మెట్టుగడ్డ. మా ఫోన్ నెంబర్ 9491629962.
Good morning, students. Today our first year maths class sponsored by Shraddha Junior Colleges, MAHABUBNAGar, is trigonometry, multiple submultiple angles. Already we discussed some problems on multiple submultiple angles. Okay, today also we will discuss some other problems for competitive exams, objective type questions, integer type questions, like that. Okay, find the value of 2 sin x. Find the value of 2 sin x by sin 3x plus tan x by tan 3x. What is its value? Okay, options are 1, 2, 3, 0. Suppose 0, 1, 2, 3. Now see solution. 2 sin x by sin 3x plus, that one can written as sin x cos 3x by cos x sin 3x, because tan x is sin x by cos x, tan 3x is sin 3x by cos 3x. Now what is common in these two? Sin x by sin 3x common. Two plus cos 3x by cos x. Now sin x by sin 3x is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x plus 2 plus cos 3x is 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x by cos x. Now see this clearly. Common sin x and cancel with this. 1 by 3 minus 4 sin square x into 2 plus, here cos x common, so cos x common and cancel with this cos x. Now clearly the remaining part is what? 4 cos square x minus 3. 4 cos square x minus 3. So this is 1 by 3 minus 4 sin square x into 2 minus 3. This one can written as 4 into 1 minus sin square x minus 1. 4 minus 1 is 3. So clearly that value is 3 minus 4 sin square x by 3 minus 4 sin square x. So its value is 1. So first option right. This is procedure. Okay, how to get the answer by easy method. See, options are only numerical values. Options only numerical values. So, put some value for x in the question. Okay, x is equal to, at the same time, don't put x is 30 and 90. Why? Tan 90 undefined. Tan 90 undefined. Remaining all are okay. Tan 90, see tan x is here, so x not equal to 90. At the same time 3x not equal to 90. Okay, 3x not equal to 90 means x not equal to 30. So our known values are what? 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 and 90 degrees. Here if x is 0, sin 0, denominator 0, so undefined, so leave it. At the same time 30 also already we discussed that. Next 90 also undefined, so leave it. Next 60, 3 into 60 180, sin 180 is also undefined, so this is also not satisfied. So put x is equal to 45 degrees, no problem. Put x is equal to 45 degrees. If x is equal to 45 degrees, sin 45 is, this value is equal to 2 into 1 by root 2 by 3 into 45, 135 degrees. Sin 135 is also 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 plus tan x. What is tan x value? Tan 45 degrees 1 by tan 135 degrees is minus 1. What is that? Tan 135 is equal to minus 1 because this is in second quadrant. Similarly, sin 135 is equal to 1 by root 2 because in second quadrant sin positive. 90 plus 45 or 180 minus 45 degrees. Automatically you get that value. Right? Now 1 by root 2 cancel. 2 plus 1 by minus 1 is minus 1. It's equal to 1. So clearly that answer is 1. Got it? Right. Next. Next one, if A and B are acute angles, if A and B are acute angles and sin A is equal to 1 by 5 root 2. Sin A is equal to 1 by 5 root 2, comma, tan B is equal to 1 by root 3, tan B is equal to 1 by root 3, then A plus 2B is equal to what? A plus 2B is equal to what? This is the question. Options are, first option pi by 6, that means 30 degrees. Second option pi by 4, 45 degrees. Third option pi by 6, 60, pi by 3, 60 degrees. Fourth option pi by 2, 90 degrees. What is its value? Okay. See, A and B are acute. A and B are acute angles. So 0 less than A comma B less than 90 degrees. So clearly 2B is either acute or obtuse. Suppose 89 degrees, B is suppose an 89 degrees, suppose. So 2B, that is more than 90. A plus 2B is also either acute or obtuse, that is different. Now, but A and B are acute. Here, sin A is equal to 1 by 5 root 2. Just draw a diagram, right angle triangle. Suppose this is A. Sin A, sin theta. What is sin theta? In a right angle triangle, opposite to theta by hypotenuse. That's a ratio. That ratio is called sin theta. Here, this is A angle. So, opposite to A is 1. Hypotenuse is 5 root 2. What about the adjacent? This is Pythagoras. By using Pythagoras, suppose if it is x square plus 1 is equal to x square plus 1 is equal to its whole square, 50. So, x square is equal to 49. X is equal to 7. Don't write plus or minus 7 because that is length of a side. Length of a side in a right angle triangle. That's why that is positive. X is equal to 7 because that is length. So, this value is 7. Okay. So, adjacent is 7. So, by using this, tan A is equal to what? Tan A is equal to opposite by adjacent. 1 by 7. This is tan A. Next, tan B given. What is tan B? 1 by root 3. Tan B is equal to what? 1 by 3, not root 3. This is 1 by 3. Tan B is equal to 1 by 3. Here also draw another right angle triangle. This is B, suppose. Tan B is equal to 1 by 3. Tan B is equal to what? 1 by 3. So, opposite by adjacent. Opposite by adjacent. So, this is 1, this is 3. What about the hypotenuse? Sum of squares of these two root over. 1 plus 9, 10, root 10. This is hypotenuse. So, tan B clear. Okay. A plus 2B value. A plus 2B value. So, take either sine or cos or tan. Okay. Already we know the values of tan A and tan B. So, use that formula, that is better. So, tan A plus 2B is equal to tan A plus 2B is equal to tan A plus 2B formula is what? Tan A plus B formula plus tan B, that is 2B, by 1 minus tan A tan 2B. But we know only tan B value and tan A value. So here tan 2B is there. That's why first find tan 2B value separately. What is tan 2B? Tan 2 theta. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Already we know tan B is equal to 1 by 3. So put it in that 2 by 3 by 1 minus 1 by 9. After taking LCM, 2 by 3 into 9 by 8. 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, 2 1 ja, 2 4 ja. That is what? 3 by 4. Which value? Tan 2B value. Tan 2B value is what? 3 by 4. Tan 2B value is 3 by 4. Tan A value is 1 by 7. Now we know these two values. Tan A value already 1 by 7. Tan 2B value already we find 3 by 4. So put it in this. Tan A, that is what? 1 by 7 plus tan 2B 3 by 4 by 1 minus 1 by 7 into 3 by 4. So clearly 4 plus 21 by 7 into 4 into 7 into 4 by here 7 into 4 28 minus 3. 7 into 4, 7 into 4 cancel. 25 by 25, that is equal to 1. 1 is tan 45 degrees. So a plus 2b is equal to pi by 4. So a plus b is equal to pi by 4. Okay, next. Next one, if sin alpha is equal to 3 by 5, if sin alpha is equal to 3 by 5, 90 degrees less than alpha less than 180 degrees, 90 less than alpha less than 180 degrees, then find the value of cos 3 alpha. Then cos 3 alpha is equal to what? Cos 3 alpha is equal to what? That is question. How to find? Sir, already we know solution. What is that? Sin alpha is equal to 3 by 5. Alpha in what? Alpha in second quadrant. Alpha in what? Second quadrant. See, 90 less than alpha less than 180. So sin alpha positive, cosecant alpha positive, remaining all are negative, remaining 4 are negative. So draw a diagram in second quadrant. This is alpha, this is 3, this is 5, this is minus 4. That is what? Minus 4. Okay, cos 3 alpha. Now find cos 3 alpha. What is cos 3 alpha? 4 cos cube alpha minus 3 cos alpha. Now, okay, don't use cos alpha is equal to directly root over 1 minus sin square alpha. Actually, cos alpha is what? Plus or minus root over. Cos alpha is what? Cos alpha is equal to plus or minus root over 1 minus sin square alpha. Not directly root over 1 minus sin square alpha. If alpha in first quadrant, okay. If alpha in fourth quadrant also, okay, root over 1 minus sin square alpha. But if alpha in second or third, that is minus of root over 1 minus sin square alpha. That's why that is plus or minus. So use minus because alpha in second quadrant. So cos alpha is equal to alpha here 90 less than alpha less than 180. So cos alpha is equal to minus root over 1 minus sin square alpha. Otherwise use this diagram. Okay. Now 4 cos cube alpha minus 3 cos alpha. So 4 into cos alpha is minus 4 by 5 whole cube minus 3 into minus 4 by 5. Simplify that. 4 into minus 64 by 125 minus into minus plus 12 by 5. So LCM is 125. Numerator minus 16 256 plus 12. That is nothing but minus 12 cancel. That is what? 244. 244 by 125. So cos 3 alpha negative. Cos 3 alpha is negative. Is it right or not? Here 256 4 cube. Okay. Here see 3 alpha multiply with 3, 90 degrees less than alpha less than 180 degrees. So multiply with 3, 270 degrees less than 3 alpha less than what? 180 degrees into 3, 540 degrees. Okay. Now see 270 to 540. 270 is here. 270, 360, 360 plus 180 up to here. So either fourth or first or second. So 3 alpha lies in either fourth quadrant or that one. So cos 3 alpha is equal to 4 cos cube alpha minus 3 cos alpha. Use the values in this, you get the result, right? Okay. Next one, if sin alpha plus beta is equal to 1, if sin alpha plus beta is equal to 1 and sin alpha minus beta is equal to 1 by 2, where alpha beta belongs to 0 to pi by 2. That means in first quadrant, then here closed interval including 0 pi by 2. Then tan 2 alpha plus beta is equal to tan 2 alpha plus beta is equal to what? That is the question. Okay, right? Here options are minus root 3, second option root 3, third option 1 by root 3, fourth option minus 1 by root 3. Okay, see, sin alpha plus beta is equal to solution. Sin alpha plus beta is equal to 1. Sin alpha plus beta is equal to 1. Alpha beta are acute. Alpha beta are acute. So values from which one to which one? See, here 0 less than or equal to alpha less than or equal to pi by 2. 0 less than or equal to beta less than or equal to pi by 2. That is given. In this, alpha plus beta is equal to alpha plus beta less than 0 less than or equal to pi. 0 less than or equal to pi. That means 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus pi by 2, pi by 2. Pi by 2 plus 0, 0. Pi by 2 plus pi by 2, pi. So which one is least in this? 0. If both are zeros, zeros. If both are pi by 2, that value is pi. So alpha plus beta value always lies from 0 to pi. That is either in first and second quadrant. Next, alpha minus beta. Alpha minus beta lies from what to what? See, 0 minus pi by 2, minus pi by 2. 0 minus 0, 0. Pi by 2 minus 0, pi by 2. Pi by 2 minus pi by 2, 0. So, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. That is what? If alpha is 0, beta is pi by 2 minus pi by 2. If alpha is pi by 2, beta is 0, pi by 2. That is the maximum value. So, alpha minus beta. What is given? Sin alpha minus beta. Sin alpha minus beta is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, according to that case, alpha plus beta is equal to, alpha plus beta lies in first and second quadrant. First and second quadrant. In between 0 to 180 degrees, sin value 1. What is the value in between 0 to 180? Sin value, sin theta is equal to 1. Theta lies in 0 to 180. So at which value Sin theta is 190 degrees. What is that? 90 degrees. Okay, actually sin theta is equal to 1 is infinitely satisfied. That is what? 90 degrees 1. 360 plus 90, 450 is also 1. Suppose sin theta is 0. Theta is 0, 180, 360, all. N pi, that is of course. So, here alpha plus beta, sin alpha plus beta is 1. For what values of alpha plus beta? It is 1. Actually that is infinitely satisfied. But alpha plus beta, in between 0 to 180, in between that, which value satisfy that condition? So which value satisfy that condition? 90 only. That is what? Here, see, alpha plus beta lies from here to here. So at what it is 1? Here is 1. So alpha plus beta is 90 degrees. Next, alpha minus beta, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So lies here to here. This is alpha minus beta. At what value? That is 1 by 2. Sin alpha minus beta, that is in first quadrant only positive. This is 4, this is first. So in that, here only positive. That's why alpha minus beta is equal to 30 degrees. So alpha minus beta 30 degrees. If suppose sin alpha minus beta is minus 1 by 2, that is minus 30. Minus 30, that is different. Here 1 by 2 given. That's why that is 30 degrees. If it is minus 1 by 2, that is minus 30. Depend on this condition. Okay, now alpha minus beta is equal to 30 degrees. Now solve this. 2 alpha is equal to 120 degrees. So alpha is equal to 60 degrees. So beta is equal to 30 degrees clearly. Now tan 2 alpha plus beta. Tan 2 alpha plus beta. Tan 2 alpha plus beta is equal to tan 2 alpha 120 degrees plus 30 degrees, 150 degrees. That is nothing but tan 180 minus 50 degrees, 30 degrees. Tan 180 minus 30 minus tan 30 degrees. Tan 30 degrees is what? 1 by root 3, but having minus sign. So minus 1 by root 3. So which one is right? Fourth option is right. These are useful one, right? So remember that. Next one, if 630 degrees less than A less than 720 degrees and modulus of tan A is equal to 12 by 5, then tan A by 2 is equal to what? Tan A by 2 is equal to what? That is the question. Right here 630 degrees less than A less than 7 by 2. Options are first option 3 by 2, second option minus 3 by 2, third option 2 by 3, fourth option minus 2 by 3. Suppose these are the options. So which one is right in that? Tan A given, so not necessary to take any value, because that value given, for what value of A, that is 12 by 5 we find. Okay, A in between 630 and 720. So first remove 360 degrees, one complete rotation, no? 360 degrees means one complete rotation. After one complete rotation, again same. That's why remove 360 degrees from this. Therefore, remove 360 means 630 minus 360 degrees less than A, less than 720 degrees minus 360 degrees. So that implies 360, remove 360, 270. What is this? 270 degrees less than A less than 360 degrees. That means A lies in fourth quadrant. A lies in what? Fourth quadrant. Clearly, after completion of one rotation, A comes in fourth quadrant after 270. So clearly, therefore, tan A is equal to minus 12 by 5 because A in fourth quadrant. A in Q4, fourth quadrant. That's why tan A negative in fourth quadrant. In fourth quadrant, tan A negative. Got it? So, use the value diagram. Here only A. This is minus 12. This is 5. This is what? 144 plus 25, 169, that is 13. Got it? So that value is that is. Now 630 degrees less than A less than 720 degrees divided by 2 because the necessary value is tan A by 2. The required value is tan A by 2. So for A by 2, divide this condition by 2. 630 by 2 less than A by 2 less than 720 by 2. That is nothing but 630 by 2. 2 3s are 315 degrees less than A by 2 less than 360 degrees. So A by 2 is also in Q4. A by 2 is also in Q4 because more than 350. A by 2 is more than 315 degrees but less than 360 degrees. More than 315, less than 360 degrees. That's why A by 2 is also in Q4, fourth quadrant only. Clearly tan A by 2 is equal to, we have a formula. What is that? Tan A by 2 is equal to plus or minus root over 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. Because this is 2 sin square A by 2, this is 2 cos square A by 2. 2 get cancelled, that is tan A by 2. But this plus or minus indicates A by 2 in which quadrant? A by 2 in fourth quadrant. That's why this value is minus. Since A by 2 in Q4, A by 2 in Q4, that's why tan A by 2 is equal to minus root over 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. So clear, something clear in that options. Tan A by 2 is a negative value. Tan A by 2 is a negative value. What are the negative values in that? Second and fourth options. Maybe second or fourth options. 50% clear. Now remaining, this is minus root over 1 minus cos A. 1 minus cos A from this diagram. Cos A is what? 5 by 13. What is that? 5 by 13. By 1 plus 5 by 13. Got it? So simplify this. This is minus root over 13 minus 5. 13 minus 5. 8 by 13 plus 5. 18. So clearly 2 4s are 2 9. Minus 2 by 3. So fourth option is right. Okay, that is this is the very important conditions. Okay, don't write directly tan A is minus 12 by 5 or plus 12 by 5. Tan A lies in fourth quadrant. That's why tan A is minus 12 by 5 only. Okay. After that, find A by 2 in which quadrant? If it is in third or fourth, what? It is in fourth quadrant because A by 2 lies in 315 to 360 degrees. That's why tan A by 2 is negative value. That is minus root over 1 minus cos A by 1 plus cos A. Then we get it. Right? Next. So this one is clear. Time is up. Now the remaining part we will discuss in our next class. Right? Thank you.
మీ స్కూల్స్ మరియు కాలేజ్ విద్యార్థుల కోసం ఆన్లైన్ డిజిటల్ క్లాसेस ద్వారా బోధించాలనుకుంటున్నారా?
क्या आप आपके कॉलेजेस, स्कूल्स और ट्यूशंस को डिजिटलाइज करना चाह रहे हैं?
మీ విద్యార్థుల కోసం సరైన ప్లాట్‌ఫామ్ వెతుకుతున్నారా?
क्या आप ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के लिए किसी बेहतर प्लेटफॉर्म की तलाश में हैं?
అయితే మా